Welcome to Info Essential. Information that works. Hope you enjoy this video. Today we are taking a look at type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is a weakness in the manner the body directs and utilizes sugar, known as glucose, as a fuel. This long-term ongoing condition results in a lot of sugar circling in the circulation system. In time, high glucose levels can prompt issues of the circulatory, immune and nervous system. Before we continue, please note that this is not medical advice, and this video is for information purposes only. Type 2 diabetes begins with insulin resistance, a condition in which cells fail to respond to insulin properly. As the disease progresses, a lack of insulin may also develop. Type 2 diabetes is essentially the aftereffect of two interrelated issues. 1. Cells in muscle, fat, and the liver become resistant to insulin. Since these cells don't associate in a typical manner with insulin, they don't take in sufficient sugar. 2. The pancreas can't deliver sufficient insulin to oversee glucose levels. What is insulin and how it works? The pancreas is beneath and behind the stomach and produces a hormone called insulin. Insulin is expected to move glucose into cells. Inside the cells, glucose is put away and later utilized for energy. At the point when you have type 2 diabetes, your fat, liver, and muscle cells don't react effectively to insulin. What is glucose? Glucose is the fundamental sort of sugar in the blood, and is the significant source of energy for the body's cells. Glucose comes from the food varieties we eat, or the body can make it from different substances. Glucose is helped to the cells through the circulation system. Let us now take a look at some risk factors that can cause someone to develop type 2 diabetes. Unhealthy foods, these are based on the ingredients or preparation methods. Ultra-processed foods are considered to be the most unhealthy foods as they are high in non-essential nutrients such as refined sugars, preservatives and other chemicals. Some examples are candy, sugary cereals, processed meats and sodas, which may lead to type 2 diabetes. Lack of exercise. Studies have shown that a lack of physical activity may put you more at risk to developing heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity, whereas a proper exercise routine leads to better sleep, physical appearance, mental wellness and much more. Obesity. This can be linked to unhealthy eating habits, food choices and lack of physical activity. Obesity is known to play a major negative role in one's overall wellness, physical, emotional, spiritual. Hope you are enjoying this video and finding it useful. First, like this video. Subscribe to this channel, and one last thing, click the notification bell for future updates. Thank you so much for making it so far. Let's continue to the rest of the video. Stress can be described as the way the body reacts to a difficult unexpected situations. It can be manifested physically due to illness or an injury or mentally from a situation at work, family or financial. Stress does lead to illness if not managed, which can have adverse effects on your blood sugar levels. Alcohol consumption. Alcohol has a high sugar level content, and if consumed regular can affect your blood sugar readings negatively. Lack of sleep. Restful sleep does the body good. It is necessary to maintain a healthy lifestyle. If one is sleep deprived, it can lead to a greater risk of diseases such as type 2 diabetes. Signs and symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Persons may have type 2 diabetes present in their bodies and may not even be aware. Some indicators to being a pre-diabetic or a type 2 diabetic are frequent urination, excessive thirst, extreme hunger, unexplained weight loss, extreme tiredness, blurry vision, slow healing cuts, and irritability. It is advised to see your healthcare provider if you show signs of any of these symptoms. We will now look at 6 complications associated with type 2 diabetes. 1. Eye issues. Diabetes can cause serious damage to the eyes, which leads to cataracts and glaucoma and potentially lead to blindness. 2. Heart disease. Diabetes is related with an expanded danger of coronary illness, stroke, hypertension and narrowing of veins. 3. Foot problems. Having diabetes implies that you're more in danger of genuine foot issues which can result in amputation, if left unattended. 4. Kidney disease. Diabetes may cause kidney infection or irreversible end-stage kidney illness, which may require dialysis or a kidney transplant. 5. Neuropathy, nerve damage. Some people with diabetes may develop nerve damage caused over time by high blood sugar levels. 6. Sexual dysfunction. The measure of blood streaming to your sexual organs can be limited, which may lead to erectile dysfunction. Diabetes prevention. Precautionary measures are imperative to lessen the danger of receiving a diabetes diagnosis from your healthcare provider. These measures should include the following. Healthy foods. Foods that are lower in fat and calories and high in fiber are ideal for consumption, such as vegetables, certain fruits and whole grains. Exercise. Activities which burn excess calories are a must in one's quest to stave off conditions like diabetes. Brisk walking, bicycling, running or swimming are recommended. Stress management. Stress is part of life, but the way you respond to stressful situations is key. Yoga and meditation provide great avenues for stress relief. Partaking in activities such as dancing, listening to music or reading a good novel also helps reduce stress levels. Fasting. Diabetes is referred to as a dietary disease, so intermittent fasting has been proven to significantly reduce and in some cases reverse type 2 diabetes. Smoking and alcohol. It is advised that you quit smoking and significantly reduce your alcohol intake, which helps reduce your chances of type 2 diabetes and other related illnesses. This takes us to the end of our video. Please check out the links in the description below for more information that will help you with type 2 diabetes. We want to thank you for watching until the end. And remember, stay informed, stay focused.